Hello, it is always said harvesting time is a farmer's best time. This is actually mushroom that I grow right in my kitchen. You can see as I put it on the wheels and I can pull it around at any time. So it is movable, and this is real mushroom made. Can you see that? Can you see it? These are the mushroom. It's growing right in my kitchen. And yeah, what can you see? This is actually what I prepared today. This is what I made of this mushroom. I actually harvested the mushroom from this greenback, and I mash it up. I use things like paprika. You can see it. Paprikas are very good for those who are more than 50 years old. And I'm a grandmother, so I eat a lot of the red paprika. Actually, you can see this one. We call it bloom cool. That's the cauliflower. I actually added some cauliflower. At 50, these are the type of things you should be eating because they are very nutritious and they actually help you to build telomeres. And also, I have this one that I put also, you see, some tomatoes, some leeks, some quarro, and many other leafy spices. I love leafy spices, and at 50, there is no food I eat without having some green there. And that's why you see I came out now with this lovely dish. You can see it is very nutritious and it's top notch. I want to encourage other farmers to don't really say, oh, I don't have space to grow mushroom or to cultivate anything. I am doing mushroom cultivation right in my kitchen. This is the mushroom. You can see it. You can see them growing. It is in the kitchen. Right in my kitchen, I have this mushroom growing. They are growing on wheels. If you turn it around, you will see how the mushroom, you see, everywhere they are growing. I can pull it in, I can send it out, but because the temperature is really cold outside, I decided to bring it in. I won't stop farming. If you go on all my windows, you will see that I have some vegetables, some pepper. Also, I added some hot chili pepper from my window because I have them in the house growing hot chili pepper. So most of these are grown above my house. At the top part, I have all these veggies growing there because I'm somebody I love harvest and eat. So these are the type of things I'm making this video to encourage people to be growing food in their house. Don't say it is winter, I cannot grow. Don't say I don't have space, because if I could actually grow this mushroom, you see it's movable in my kitchen and I'm eating it. It is growing. It is very delicious, yummy, and organic. Know where your food is coming from. If I can do it, I believe you can do it, and every other person can do it. Yes, this one is ready for harvesting. And one thing I discover is that most of the mushrooms, they fall off when they get ready. When they get ready, they fall off on their own. So anytime anyone fall off, I know it's getting into my pot. It is so nice. So please, let's continue to grow food so that we can eat healthy food and make sure we feed our body. Like all these ones like this, I put Himalaya salt, I put some seasoning and some spicy because I really love spicy, especially the ones that will help me to build some telomeres. And when I eat this now, put some blueberries, some strawberries, because I love the berries because they are so good. And the evening I'll take a snack with nuts, different types of nuts. We have walnuts, you also have almond, all those nuts. I will have to eat it and drink my green tea, take a glass of coffee before the day run by. Yes, as we age, we need to be doing this. Eat green, take more vegetables, grow your own mushroom and eat. There are so many health benefits from eating mushroom that I'll be sharing in due course. So this is my mushroom growing right in my kitchen. It is possible. I know some people will say, why are you putting it on the wheel? I'm putting it on the wheel so that I can move it at any moment. Yes, it's very cold outside. The temperature has dropped. So I get my mushroom in my kitchen and get all my peppers and my vegetables around my house, on the windowsill and everywhere. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please, if you love this type of content, you kindly like, comment, share so that when I share more video, you get it on your timeline. Thank you. Ciao ciao.